Hi, my name is Joel. Welcome to my physics class. Let's solve this JAMB question from 2018. The question says, a man walks 1 kilometer due east and then 1 kilometer due north. His displacement is, it means what is his displacement? So um, if we are not able to interpret this question properly, that is where the problem is going to be. But if we can properly interpret this question, then the solution will be very easy for us to come about. So how do you approach this question? A man walks 1 kilometer due east and then 1 kilometer due north. His displacement is, so let's say this is the four cardinal points, which is what? North, east, south, and west. And they said a man walks 1 kilometer due east. So this is what due is. So 1 kilometer. And then 1 kilometer due north. So from here, due north, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. What is his displacement? Now, when they ask what is his displacement, they are trying to ask from his initial position, how far has he moved away from his initial position? That is his displacement. So the displacement will be this line because this is his initial position, this is his current position. So he has moved away from his initial position towards this line, right? So if we know that this place is 1 kilometer and this place is also 1 kilometer, how are we going to find his displacement? Now, his displacement is going to be the length of this line due this angle. So we are going to look for x kilometer and we're going to look for theta, right? So this is hypotenuse, this is opposite, this is adjacent. But then this is hypotenuse. So we can use what? Pythagoras theorem to look for what? X. So Pythagoras theorem says what? X squared is equal to 1 square plus what? 1 square, right? So x squared will now be equal to 1 square is still 1 plus 1 square is still 1. So x squared is equal to 2. How do we get x? X will now be equal to what? The square root of 2. So we can leave this like this. Now we have x to be what? Root 2 kilometers. So how do we get our angle now? Our angle has an opposite side and an adjacent. In our normal SOHCAHTOA, what is the relationship between opposite and adjacent? It is tan. This is sine, cos, and tan. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So we're going to use our what? Tan. It means that what? Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Right? So what is our opposite? Our opposite is 1 and adjacent is also 1, right? So 1 over 1 is still 1. So we have what? Tan theta is equal to 1. How do we get theta? We take the inverse of tan to the other side, right? So theta will now be equal to what? Tan inverse of 1. The tan inverse of 1 is what? You can press your calculator and get the answer. So this is what? 45 degrees. So the displacement is now what? The displacement is now what? Root 2 kilometers, not 45 degrees east, because this is north and this is what? East. So it is what? Northeast. Root 2 kilometers, not 45 degrees east. So if you look at your options, you'll find the answer there, and then you can easily pick your answer and you're done with this question. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section And or if you have other questions that look like this but are more difficult or tasking than this one, you can ask me in the comment section or you can inbox me, and we'll try and solve it together. Thank you.